Right, today we're going to look at the structure of a bacterium. And in the structure of a bacterium cell, we're going to find different parts. And these are what we are going to find here. These are the different parts: the cell wall, the capsule, DNA, which is the genetic material, ribosomes, flagella, pili, and cytoplasm. So I would need you to know what are the different parts of a bacterium cell. That is, you should be able to list all the different parts of the structure, as well as if given a diagram, you should be able to label the different parts of a bacterium. And at the end, we are going to look at drawing the structure of a bacterium cell. Right, so we're going to look at different parts of the bacterium, not in any order. So let's start with the pili. And the pili are these little hollow hair-like structures that you're going to find on the exterior of the bacterium. And this is what allows the bacterium to stick to other items or objects. Right, so that's the pili. Let's keep going. Next up, the pili extend from the capsule. The capsule is on the exterior of the bacterium and it is moist, and it helps to keep the cell from drying out, as well as allows it to stick to other items as well. Right next to the capsule, or the capsule encloses the cell wall, where the cell wall helps to maintain the shape of the bacterium. Inside of the cell, the bacterium, you're going to see little grainy parts of the cell, and this grainy appearance is as a result of ribosomes, where the purpose of the ribosomes in the bacterium is to produce proteins, right? So they're very important. So we are seeing the ribosomes, but what else is inside of the cell? Right? If you guessed it, yes. That's the genetic material referred to as the DNA. Next up, we're going to look at something called the flagella. So we have our bacterium cell, and extending from it is this long tail here, and that's referred to as the flagella. The flagella is what allows the bacteria to move. Right, one more part of the structure of the bacterium, and this one you should know, is referred to as the cytoplasm, and it's just a clear jelly-like material that makes up most of the cell. Right, so let's go back up. We're going to look at the structure of our bacterium. Right, so here's the structure of our bacterium. So from the exterior, we have the flagella, we have the pili right on the outside. The pili extend from the capsule. The capsule encloses the cell wall, and within the cell itself, right next to that cell wall, we're going to find cytoplasm. Dispersed in the cytoplasm, you're going to find the ribosomes, and at the center of the cell, you're going to find the genetic material, which is the DNA. Right, and that is the structure of a bacterium cell. Okay, so here we have a simple internet search to show you how the structure of a bacterium can be represented. So you're going to see there's quite a few diagrams, right? Some with nice colors, right? But bacterium tend to have a very simple, specific, or very simple structure. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to take one diagram from here, and we are going to draw the structure of a bacterium. Alright, so I want you to bear with me while I'm drawing my diagram. So we're going to draw the outline of our bacterium, and we are going to draw it in such a way that I should be able to see two layers, and we're going to label them. So on the outside here, we are going to have the capsule, and on the inside of the capsule will be the cell wall. Right? We are going to draw our little pili which extend outside of our capsule. Right? So you could draw a few. And we're going to make sure and label them as the pili. We're going to draw the flagella, which extends from the bacterium. You're going to go into the cell, and we're just going to draw a squiggly line. And that's going to represent the DNA of our bacterium. You're going to go in there, draw in some dots for me. These dots are going to represent the ribosomes. And you're just going to go to a clear part of your cell, and this will represent the cytoplasm. Right, so all you need to be able to do is draw a very simple diagram of a bacterium cell, as well as label it with these 7 different parts of its structure. All right, so thank you very much for watching.